What up, YouTube? It's your man, Vinny Chase. Welcome back to the channel. And man, let me tell you, I'm a little exhausted this morning. We're up early, and the group is gonna go on a hike out to Ia for some spectacular views, while I'm going to go scuba diving. I've never been scuba diving before. No, I'm not certified, and yes, I am a terrible swimmer. So this should be pretty interesting because I'm way out of my comfort zone here. So let me have some breakfast first, and then we'll gear up and head on out. Let's go.
Now tuned into the motherfucking greatest.
Vincent Chase. Brand name recognition.
Yesterday's price is not today's price.
And it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to go scuba diving. They didn't have me sign my life away. So if I don't make it back, these is all the people I was with. These is all the people I was with. If I don't make it back, you look for any one of them. All right, so first, I'm just letting everybody know that I'm nervous and that I'm not the best swimmer. And I'm trying to document everybody here that you might have to look for if I don't make it home. This is my dive instructor. Look for this man.
He's not gonna kill us,
My name is Alex.
His name is Alex.
Alex, another Alex.
At the Santorini Scuba Academy.
Alexandro.
Yeah, my name is Alex.
These are all my folks. How's everybody doing? Nah, but all jokes aside, man, I'm excited. We're gonna head on down here. They're gonna give us a little, safety briefing. Give us a short rundown of how the gear is supposed to work and how it's, Oh yeah, are you excited? Are you excited? Tell us you're excited.
I'm so excited.
So excited. You excited? Excited? Guys excited? Guys excited?
Oh, hell yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Guys excited? Oh yeah, good man. Type me up.
See, that's why Alex was putting it on for you.
Good. Yeah, good. Okay. They're gonna shovel us on out into a shallow portion of the lake here or the ocean or whatever it is that we're about to go swim in, and give us a brief tutorial on how to actually scuba dive. From what I understand, you're supposed to be certified to go scuba diving, like, practice hours in a pool with certified trainers and all that kind of thing. Obviously, we don't have any of that today, so we're just kind of doing a wham bam, thank you, get out and see what you can type of move. Listen, I done made it through the tutorial, okay, just fine, no problems. But as we're going out here and we're starting to see the fish, actually getting into the scuba area or whatever, getting into the scuba groove, I catch some nasal cavity problems, just a little clog going up in here. So I have to shovel up to the surface real fast, and when I get up to the surface, first thing I do is I yank the apparatus out my mouth here, and as I'm doing that, I swallow a bunch of salt water, man, because I can't breathe through my nose, you know what I mean? So, and I want to take a big gasp of air up there and try to, clear myself out or whatever. So I'm kind of panicking because now I done swallowed a bunch of water, and I can't swim very well, and I'm supposed to be putting this apparatus back in my mouth, and I done got it in my eyes, and all kinds of stuff is just going wrong here, you know what I mean? So finally, I get myself back together, and I make it back to the shore. Right, so I didn't make it. Anxiety got the best of me. I just sit the rest of it out, man. I don't go back out there because as this was happening and I was going through my little panic episode, the rest of the group is gone. Like, they can't hear me. Like, the water is loud, so they can't hear me. Help, they can't hear me. So I had to get myself together and take myself back to shore, and I am not going back out there. I'll just wait right here until they get on back in, and we can call this a day. We can wrap this up. I'll check this off the bucket list just as it is, believe you me.
I'm getting back.
Tell me how it was.
It was very intense and scary.
Very intense and scary? What'd you see?
I saw a sponge. That was really cool.
Okay.
It was against the rock, the lava. Some plastic bags at the end.
Okay.
Yeah. Some
Okay.
fish.
Good?
Yeah.
You proud of yourself?
I am.
All right, good.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm proud of myself too.
Dude, you got it.
Yeah, I mean, we did something. How about you guys? You enjoy yourselves?
That was awesome.
Good? Very, very nice? Yeah?
You guys are probably like-
Enjoy something?
She won.
How was it?
It was very good. It was very fun. It was very fresh. A little bit scared, but it was fun.
Okay, so now that I've survived this near-death experience, I'm really just trying to chill out for the rest of the day. I hit up some of the other people in the group, and they're in a different part of town doing something else. So I can't go meet up with them. But on the actual itinerary for the group trip today, we have a sunset cruise out on the boat. I'm actually a little watered out, but it's the only thing to do. So I'm gonna go ahead, posse up with the crew, and we're gonna head on down to the dock and hop onto the boat here. I thought we was going on a catamaran, or not, maybe not a catamaran, but like a yacht or something fly. But you know, this is kind of cool too. It'll get the job done. As long as they got the wine and a Bluetooth speaker, we should be able to manage fairly well. You know what I mean? All right, we're out here cruising along, man. The wind's going, the sun's shining. It is really, really beautiful, man. Let's just go ahead and toast it up for us, man, for being out here in the middle of the caldera in Greece. Let's just toast it up for us having a good time out here, man. It feels really good, you know. I was really excited to come out here, and being out here with the group, you know, just as being as welcoming and as non-judgmental as they are has really been refreshing, to be honest with you. So the wine is flowing. We done bust out the wine that tastes like whiskey that we got from the winery earlier in the week, you know, and you know, we're just having a good time, you know. The sun's down. We done seen all the boats and watched the sunset, so they dancing and they started pouring up drinks, you know. Yeah, they had that whole thing going on. But as we're coming up to the shore here, we're gonna take us a cable car up the coast, get some nice views there. I'm probably gonna fly the drone for a hot second, and then you know, we'll change our clothes. And the groups is coming back out tonight for some group drinks, just to hang out and have a good time. You know, isn't that coast beautiful? Look at this. Like, this is amazing. Like, this is bucket list type shit, man. This is amazing. There is, I can't name something that I've seen so far that is more beautiful than this. This is really nice, and I'm really happy to be here. But surprise, surprise, we had the girls from earlier that scuba diving. They came out and met up with the group with us, so that's dope. We got 2 more now. Now we're 16 deep. So this is a really good time. I need to actually get up out of here and go over to our other spot, Two Brothers, to make sure they can accommodate all of us, because I'm in a mood now. I'm in a zone. Lo and behold, we get into Two Brothers, and they got us the whole balcony locked down just for us. And we all upstairs, we done taken over now. It's jumping in here, the music's going, the lights is low, they making it rain with napkins and laser lights, and it's just going, man. So go ahead and get me the bottle, man. Let's go ahead and hit the sparklers, dog. Fuck it. We in Greece now, man. Let's light one up for Santorini one time. You know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. Just one, cuz. Just one. You know, a little champagne thing, you know? But we're going to go ahead and ride this out for the rest of the night, man. And I'll catch y'all in the morning at breakfast or something. You know? Till then, peace.